Myself, Dr. Phanindra, practicing at Narayana Ayurveda Kutiram, Srinagar in Bangalore. Arjuna. The name itself is fascinating. The most commonly used part is the stem bark. In Kannada, we call it as Nadi Matti or Bili Matti. This Arjuna is used in various forms like powder, that is Choorna, in the form of a syrup known as Arjuna arishta, and so on. Then how to use this Arjuna? Usually it is administered in homes in the form of Ksheerapaka, wherein you take some quantity of Arjuna Choorna, say half a spoon, add it to around 50 ml of water and 50 ml of milk, boil it and reduce it to 50 ml till that water content evaporates completely. This is known as Arjuna Ksheerapaka, and this is used as such. It helps in improving the skin condition, it helps to improve the blood circulation, it helps in reducing any ailment of heart. The next important use of Arjuna is in the cosmetic field. Some portion of Arjuna Choorna, like a powder of Arjuna, along with Manjistha, are mixed with honey and applied to the face. This paste made of Arjuna and Manjistha reduces the hyperpigmentation. For example, patients with or people with Pcod or some diseases have a dark colored pigmentation surrounding their neck, or some pigmentation in the face, hyperpigmentation, darkish pigmentation. So all these pigments come down. The next important use of Arjuna is in the preparation of medicines as such. Suppose there is a heart patient, he is advised Arjuna Choorna or Arjuna tablet. In case he can prepare a Kashaya out of Arjuna, that is a decoction out of Arjuna root or stem bark, and consume the medicine, Ayurvedic medicines along with that, the potency of that medicine also increases and the benefit to the patient will be more.